Hello students, my name is Mr. Bidun and I will be your world history teacher this year. In this video, I will teach you how to properly access and complete discussion boards for my class. Let's begin. First, log into Canvas using your school email and password. After those are filled out, click Login. Second, click on Mr. Bidun's 9th grade world history course website, right over here. Third, shift your attention to the vertical navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Click the module's hyperlink right here. Fourth, under the Week 1 Introduction module, click on Discussion Board. Introduce yourself to the class. Fifth, read through the discussion board posted by Mr. Bidun. Click on Reply under the teacher's post to begin your discussion. So for this discussion, what is your name? What is your favorite hobby? What would you like to learn about in this world history class? So I'd reply by clicking on this button right here, typing in my answer in this text box. My name is Mr. Bidun. My favorite hobby is playing basketball. I would like to learn about World War II. After I've completed my discussion response, click Post Reply. Sixth, for every discussion board you are assigned in this class, you will be required to respond to a classmate. To reply to a classmate, click Reply under a student's post. This will open a text box for you to post your reply. In this instance, I am replying to Jimmy Smith. I would start out my post by saying hello to the student. Hello, Jimmy. I really enjoyed learning about you. I also love to play basketball. It is as simple as that. After you have finished, click the Post Reply button. Perfect. Now you have completed your discussion board. Good luck on your future discussion boards. If you ever need help, please shoot me an email or ask me in the next class. Thank you.